Vechain's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. We have also continued to hold above our key area of support above the 0.03849 and the 0.03579. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I'm now expecting a massive breakout to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And on today's video, I will be discussing my minimum target areas for that breakout, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that you can now grab a 50 USDT sign-up bonus, and you can also earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box that you can use for registration. Starting the video here on the 1-hour chart by first discussing this red Elliott wave structure that I have on the charts that has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 26th of November. You can all see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.04403, and after we peaked in that wave 1, we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and I believe that we got our low for that second wave. And whatever is playing out at the moment is an impulse to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.05089. Then from that point, I will be expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5. And that means that in the next coming hours, there are high chances that Vechain is going to continue pushing higher to get us back above the 0.05 mark, give us a pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in this wave 5. And this Elliott wave structure right here on the charts in red is a micro Elliott wave structure within the formation of an even larger Elliott wave count 5, highlighted on the chart using this blue Elliott wave structure. And that is better seen on this chart, where you can see that from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this impulsive Elliott wave count 1, so a pullback in the formation of the wave 2, an impulse to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, then we got our pullback yesterday in the formation of this wave 4, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the formation of this Elliott wave count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 0.05422, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside that peaked above the 0.05501, giving us the high for this impulsive Elliott wave count 1. And after we peaked in this wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, highlighted on the charts, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction of this target area in what could be the start of an impulsive Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.08585. And if by any chance we manage to hit that target area in the next coming days, based on the current prices that we have at the moment, then we will be able to cash in a 2x to the upside in the next coming days before we can expect a wave 4 and then push even higher in that wave 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.